Alright, here we go. Only 6 minutes? We part of a 6 minutes? Oh, there's a tree in the way. Look at that snail. I think it's crawling so slow. Man, that's so beautiful formation. Look at that. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey my amazing people, and how are you guys doing today? I hope and pray you guys are taking good care of yourselves. It's another beautiful day here in Suriname, and I'm on another adventure today, guys. I'm about 5 kilometers over the Wijdenbosch Bridge, the high bridge, going towards Albina in a place called Peperpot. It's in district Commewijne. That's across the river, and we are here at the nature park. It's called Pepperpot Nature Park. It's my first time here, guys, so join us, sit, relax, and let me take you guys on a tour. All right? Yes, guys, as you can see, it's called Pepperpot Nature Park. It's a private property, and right inside here you got a park. The main road is towards that direction. The bridge is that direction. And we are here today on a walking expedition. And when you come in here, this is where you have to pay at the locket. It's my first time here, guys, so we'll see how it goes. These are the park rules. Here you have a welcome sign. Those are the prices you have. And it says they're welcome. We're supposed to put on our life jackets. We're going canoeing now. So the canoes are... Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go into the canoes now. We're going to go for a canoe ride. Take a trip down the river. Down by the riverside. Down by the riverside. The canoes in at Pepperpot Nature Park, saying sponsored the Hotel you serve. Okay, we are preparing the canoes to take now.
Het afstand is lang, ongeveer 5 kilometer, maar je gaat het niet kunnen in een uurtje. Dus misschien 1200 meter, ongeveer dat 1500 meter gaat vanaf hoe snel jullie peddelen. Er zijn 2 dammen, je gaat 400 meter varen, krijg je nog een dam hiervan, je gaat uitstappen en je gaat de kanoe trekken aan de overkant, jullie gaan dwars door het padden. Jullie gaan de overkant trekken en dan weer erin stappen. En dan ga je 500 meter varen, is er nog een dam. Hier is een splitsing iets verder, links houden, omdat de rechterkant belemmerd is. Dus links. Als je terug gaat, is het rechts.
3 persons per canoe.
Het is als een lepel. Je gaat het niet zo houden, maar zo als het water spoelt.
She is giving us instructions on how to paddle.
Mensen denken dat het krom is, maar het is niet krom. Je gaat in varen, een beetje draaien en dan...
Nee, ga met... Kan jij met Tani en Greg kan met jou? Greg, ga je met jou?
Ik heb geen probleem met wie.
Oké, en dan gaat Tani met zijn vader, want ik denk niet dat Tani en Joe een goede combinatie zijn. Waarom moet jij eerst?
Ja, laat zeggen eerst gaan. Okay guys, we're here in the water now. And I'm teamed up with Joan, she's in front. Yeah. Okay guys, we're off. Look, the others at the back there. I better believe this, guys. This is the first time I'm doing this. Ja, maar John begrijpt Engels ook. Dus kijk die andere hier. The others are in front there.
Don't try to paddle, Tani.
Yo, this is a teamwork thing.
And you have to pull into shore first.
That, can you push a little bit? Yes guys, so we must take the boats from this river here, bring it up here, and then we take it over on this side. Ah, it's a good adventure. It's a nice adventure. Only 6 minutes? We paddled for 6 minutes? It looked like 6 hours. Is it 6 minutes?
No,
Firosa? Oh,
joking, about 11.
okay. Okay, we gotta put these boats in here now. Our canoe. We vlog the vlogger. Yeah, okay, now we're on the other side. Joan is paddling.
I'm working.
John is working. Look at the others over there. Is een beetje smal.
Zijn we wel goed?
Okay guys, we are on the trail. Looking for some alligators. Some fishes, some snakes, whatever. I'm just so glad that this is still preserved. Beautifully preserved. Nice, beautiful. Oh, there's a tree in the way. And John is the captain
Okay.
and the co-pilot.
1, 2, 3. Wie als eerst? Gaat winnen. Is er recording though? Oh, it is. Sorry. Heb je foto's van me? Ik heb een telefoon in de auto gelaten.
Alright, here we go.
Danny, you're in the wrong side of the paddle. Your right side has to be your left side. Just turn it around. Come here.
Nice. Sorry.
This is a walk around of what the Pepperpot Nature Park looks like. You can get the toilets are over there, and the reception is right here, and you can get some snacks and food in here. These are all palulu plants. Over there is the parking. The canoes are over there. It's a beautiful place, guys. This used to be a plantation. It's a plantation Pepperpot. There's a board here that says the Kabawan van the Plantation Pepperpot. The buildings of plantation Pepperpot Plantation. So these are the model of the houses. Apparently this is the director's house. And that's just a model of it. This is the under directors. Oh, it's a coffee plantation. I was just wondering what plantation was this. Okay, that's it says there coffee branderie. I guess this is where they used to process the coffee. And this is the warehouse where they used to store the coffee. Cute. I guess some smaller house at the back here. It didn't say exactly. What's this? This is a small house here. This is what their house looks like. Nature Park, guys. This is so beautiful. It's nice to see that they're preserving this place. Now we're going on the trail. This is a humongous place. This place is really, really big. This is what I like, guys. If you can preserve nature like this, that's going to be so awesome. People have a chance to see pure, pure, pure nature. Nature at its best. This place can get purer than this. Amazing, guys, amazing. Nathaniel.
Nathaniel.
Escargot. It's moving.
Yeah, it's crossing.
Man, what time will he get home?
Can you tell him the best goes to the farm? Oh,
Wow, that's so pretty. Yeah, coming. Look at that snail. That thing is crawling so slow.
What are you guys talking about?
bamboo shoot.
Oh, look at that. Look at that bamboo tree. Man, that's so beautiful formation. Look at that.
Look how pretty.
Beautiful. Yeah, you always find in the bamboo grass. Yeah, in the bamboo grass and the bamboo.
Monkey. Finally.
Oh yeah.
Where?
Look at monkey.
Find one there.
Oh, there's one. There's two.
Finally.
He's so small you can barely see him. Yeah, I think those they call sakiwinki. Look, one is at the bottom there. Yeah, Kesh, I was saying, right? In the bamboo grass, you'd always find snakes. Local name. Akka. That's an eagle. Hmm? Yeah, you have different snakes here.
Okay, what?
Oh, that's the labaria. Yeah, that's a very poisonous snake.
Yeah, but the green one, the bottom one is not poisonous.
Oh, that's a tree boa. Iguana.
Anaconda is not poisonous either. I mean, if the
Yeah, I know.
you're gone. But
Yeah, that's a very dangerous snake, labaria. Like a grown adult, if he bites you, in about a quick time you can die. Oh, that's how the coffee tree looks like. The coffee beans. That's what the coffee bean. Yeah, these are but these are green, right?
yeah, the pink one. I got a pink one here.
The pink one is the ripe one.
Starting to get ripe.
Okay. And the trail goes and goes and it goes. No ending. And this is what used to be the coffee plantation. Now it's a preserved nature park. And for those of you who don't know, that's what the cassava tree looks like. The other name for cassava is yucca, the yucca plant. And if you pull from the root here, the yucca or cassava grows underground. Yeah. So it looks like. It's a kind of a rainy, cloudy day today. And it's what time now, John? 4 o'clock? It's not so late.
Yeah.
Palulu. Here's a palulu flower. A lot of palulus. Okay, let's follow the trail. Yeah. Huh? I got slipper on. Why? That's okay. The slipper is the perfect thing for mud. This, guys, is beautiful nature, pure nature. If this can be preserved for forever, that'll be so good. Nature cannot get better than this, guys. Look at it. See? We need to teach our children to preserve places like these. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. I just love it. I've heard about this place before, but it's my first time coming here. Well, that snake was once alive. Someone did a number in it. Woo!
Supposed to let it go. I feel that track even bigger one.
Yeah.
This one further back, so
Yeah. So we have been walking now for an hour, and the trail goes and it goes and it goes all the way out there. You can also rent bikes and you can ride around the plantation. But it's nice to come out for afternoon recreation. I'm just so proud that at least they still have places like these that they can preserve. Well, guys, it's really a long trail. It goes for kilometers and kilometers. But remember, right? It was a coffee plantation. So if this is the kind of adventure for you, then this is the place you should be at. You can come here, you can ride a bike around the trail, you can take the canoe, you can go canoeing, and you'll enjoy it, guys. It's my first time here, and I'm out of shape. I'm out of shape, guys, but it was fun. I enjoyed it, guys. I enjoyed it. That was so much fun. We had a lot of fun today, but it is a long trail. We walked like 3 kilometers and the trail keep going and going and going. I love the canoe ride. If this is your kind of adventure, then you should try it out. Hiking, biking, canoeing. I'll put a number in my description box below. You can call and make reservations. You have to reserve before you come. So we're gonna head back into the city now. Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in the other adventure. Bye for now, guys. Take care.